Good morning, children. I hope you have enjoyed the poem To My Sister. Yes, children, love for family is very, very important. Okay, good communication is the single most important characteristics of a happy family. Yes, we should love each other, we should talk to each other, and we should make memories. Okay, so today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So, start with words to know. Chores, a routine task, especially as a household ones. Courteous, polite, respectful. Large, a kind of tree. Resign, leave a job voluntarily. And then we have tolling, work extremely hard. Be mindful. Here are two 1 minute exercise which can help you, which you can practice anywhere. First, yawn. Even you have a fake yawn, say an ah and exhale. You will notice that your yawn breaks through. Your yawn breaks through in the process. Take an opportunity to come back to the present. Follow this yawn and stretch it to 10 seconds. When you notice the tightness in the body, take 20 seconds to become aware of the tightness and loosen up. तो कभी कभी होता है ना, we take false yawning, जैसे right, and when we yawn we tighten our body, and when we stop yawning we loosen our body. Do this exercise, okay children. The second one is close your eyes with your index finger to your right hand of the right hand. Slowly stroke the finger to your left eye by moving your finger up and down on the left hand. Now repeat this with the other hand. So try doing it. Try closing your eyes with your fingers. So you will feel so relaxed and refreshed. Do these exercises, children, whenever you get little time. Okay. Now we'll do question and answers. Why was the author calling her sister to leave her task? So the author said that it is, let's go out and play. It's so beautiful outside. It is middle of the day of the March and every minute is sweeter. So come, leave your household work and come, let's enjoy the weather outside. Spring is the most beautiful time of the year. What kind of activities do you plan to do in springtime? Yes, children. So what do you do in springtime, children? Mostly you do outdoor activities. Either you go for a walk, or you do bicycle riding, or you do skating, or you play football. So these are the activities that we do in the springtime. Is the author right in wanting to spend time with his sister? Yes, the author said that every day we work. So today it is such a beautiful spring day. So come out, let's go for a walk. Write about how you spend time with your sibling. Yeah, so you write how do you spend time with your brothers and sisters. What do you think is the desire to just spend time in idleness? So the brother said that come on, we should not do anything today. Leave all your household work and just relax. Let the day be idle. Pick up your favorite festival and write about your family tradition on that day. So whatever festival you celebrate, children, pick up that festival and whatever you do that whole day, write it down. As a family, what is your best loved activity? Yeah, so as a family, what do you do best? What do you do in your free time? Write that also. Why do you think it is important to have family traditions and beliefs? Yes, children, every family has their own traditions and beliefs. They have their own rules, they have their own systems at home. So that is very important to have a happy and have a very strong bond with each other and follow the rules. Okay, if you have such rules or you have some traditions, you can write it down here. Okay, life is more complicated now than it was in our parents' time. Can you think of some issues nowadays which were present for the older generation? Is there a way to reduce some challenges? You can discuss it with your parents. Yes, children, discuss this with your parents. Ask them what were the issues that time and see what are the issues that we are facing now. Okay, and see how can we reduce that issues. Now we have Tony and Tutu. Oh, where are you running off? Isn't today a festival for you? Yes, it is, but I want to play by my own. My festival comes once a year. Sure, can you play tomorrow? Yes, I could. There are special food made only for today, and I will miss being with my family too. Yes, children. So sometimes we need to prioritize things. You always go out with your friends, you play with your friends, but then sometimes you should give time to your family, especially when you have a festival or some occasions. For example, like it's your mom dad's anniversary. Avoid going out with your friends. Try making something special on that for your mom dad. Or if it is your grandparents' birthday, try being at home, spend time with them, make it special for them. That is what family is all about, children. Is the bond, the strength, the strong we have, the love we have for each other is very important. Now, in subject connect, a society tends to differ things by the way of experience. From a longer time, for the longest time, a conventional family was made up of men and women playing the role of winners. We have moved from the tradition standing of categorizing a family, nuclear family or joint family. The changing time and blonde voice being heard as we shift in how to communicate family looks. Now, a family may have two mother or two father, but sharing the role of earning livelihood and neutralizing. Some families must have single parents managing the whole thing. As growing citizens of progressive society, we must recognize these differences and value them. Describe other ways in which you think the role of a man and a woman have changed in the family. Yes, children, earlier we used to have joint families where everybody was staying together. Now we have got nuclear family where only mother, father, and the child is there. Now sometimes we have only single parent, maybe father is not there or mother is there. So now as time is moving, we are changing, children. Okay, and the role of parents, a role of women and men is also changing. So this is what a developing society is, children, that both men and women are given equal rights. Okay, now it is not just the father who's earning the bread for the family, it is the mother also. Sometimes it is only the mother who's earning the bread for the family, father is not there. So these are the things which have changed now. Okay. Value for life. Traditions are stories, beliefs, rituals, and customs that are passed from one generation to next. They could be food items that are prepared particularly on occasion, the way the house is decorated, or the way the clothes are purchased on New Year. Every individual has needs to belong to a group or a family. Traditions in family help us to create a feeling of closeness and sense of belonging. Traditions also create routine and seasonality and rhythm for us. These traditions with family have to have for festivals, during holidays, or even for daily activities are very important. Yes, children, as I said, traditions are very important for family. So there is a routine that we are doing something. जैसे for example हमारे घर में पूजा होती है, कैसे रूटीन पूजा होती है, राइट? दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ ट्रेडिशन. वो एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन से तीसरे जनरेशन तक पास ऑन होता है. द वे वी मेक पर्टिकुलर फूड, द वे वी ड्रेस अप, द वे वी टॉक, द वे वी डेकोरेट अ हाउस, दोज आर ट्रेडिशंस, चिल्ड्रन, and you should carry it forward. Okay, now be wise. Make a list of all the valuables that are important to you. This is a great way for all our family members to think about values. Ask each family members to make the list, then rank the values on each list and help them to define. Common values include honesty, caring, generosity, help, learning, wisdom, and compassion. Think about the family who considered values such as cooperation, financial stability, humanity, and patience. Try thinking about the values in terms of category. For example, you categorize conduct including personality, career, family, friends, and health. Try to look at the list of values and figure out which category to put in. This organization can help you to have a clarity that matters you the most in the family. Yes, children, we all have family values. So we need to categorize those family values so that we should know that what is important for our family. Sometimes for us maybe financial stability is important, but for others it is togetherness. It is the value of being together, talking together, playing together, respecting each other, loving each other. So every house, every family has their own values. List those values and see which one is important for you. Now we have a very nice activity, children. Here you need to be a designer this time. Okay. So brainstorm the interest, activities or idea that represent your family, and then come up with a symbol together that can be used as a family crest. For example, you might include your family name, initial, a cricket ball, or any game together, or a holy symbol. So you can make this design, children. Whatever you think that shows your family, either you can put you all the hands together, or any symbol, any holy symbol, you can use it. So try doing this activity when you have a free time. Now the second one is make my personality tree. Roots, trunk, branches, leaves, buds, fruits, flowers and thorns. Now read about them and make this personality tree. Okay, highlight all the aspects that which comes to being a part of the family. Now make the tree and highlight what is a part of the family. Okay, this was all about to my sister children. I hope you like the story and you also have understood that how important it is to be a part of a family. I will see you in the next class. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.